Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I made this miniature carousel. This is one of my favorite projects because it's just so cute and adorable. Materials and links for the printable is in the description box below. Let's start by assembling the roof. Take the roof and fold the flap. Add glue to the flap and connect this to the other end of the roof to create a cone shape. Get a piece of plain cardstock and glue the cone on top and then cut the excess paper surrounding the cone. Next, take the decoration for the roof and cut to shape. Then, fold the triangular shape of the decoration. Snip several slits on the roof decoration to make folding and gluing easier. Apply glue and glue this around the roof, then cut the excess. Take the big green round pattern and use this to cover the bottom part of the roof, then set it aside. Next, take the center pole and snip the edge to make a fluff. I am not going to use the whole thing, so I am going to only cut up to 6 strips. Then snip the sides and fold. Next, fold each strip by just following the line. Then glue the ends together and set it aside. Next, take your pearl pen or gel pen and add an additional design on the roof. This is only optional. Assemble the platform by gluing the red strip to the smaller round white pattern, then cut the excess. Cover the top with a smaller round green pattern. Then glue the bottom part onto a white cardstock and cut the excess. After cutting the excess, add a thin cord or lace or whatever you have to hide the white part. Also, do this on the other side of the platform as well as the roof. Next, cut and shape the horses. Measure and cut the height of the jeweler wire so that it will be as level as the center pole. Then glue and sandwich the wire between horses. Add beads on each end of the wire. Assemble all the parts and start gluing the center pole, followed by the horses and ending with the roof. And here's our adorable and cute miniature carousel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for another timeless treasure room box project. Bye bye and see you next time.